Alright. So I'm going to throw some of the stuff that I have. I got some United Cutlery Lightning bolts. I have a SOG Tomahawk. I think it's called the Firehawk. And I have a 10-inch blade that I made myself out of a steel strap that throws very well. There's the target. Anyways, I'll throw the Tomahawk first, so that way I don't cut any knives in half. So here we go. Oops, almost. Alright, Tomahawk. That's a bullseye. Alrighty. Here we go again. Tomahawk. Whoa! Bullseye. Now I'm going to throw my guy, the one that I made. Homemade 10-inch blade from the handle. Alright. Now I'm going to throw United Cutlery's lightning bolts. Except this time, I'm going to go for this blue dot right there. That's the 1-point dot. Funny enough. Alright, here we go. Blue dot. Ping. Alright, so up at the top we have my homemade blade, which is still needs improvement. The SOG Tomahawk and the 4 lightning bolts. Anyways, I'm throw them one more time, then that'll be it. Alright, and we'll throw the bigger ones first. From back here, and Tomahawk. Alrighty. Tomahawk! Almost bullseye. Homemade blade. I call it the... I don't know what I call it. Here we go. And now, the 4 lightning bolts. I'm gonna, blue dot's obstructed by the handle. I'm gonna go for it anyways. Oh, come on. Okay, that's it. Couple rounds, bounce a few knives off. Landed that. That. And that.